Stage 2 is what I call the pressure stage. So now radiant energy is built up in the liver and it's built up that much that it's fully filling up the whole liver, and now it's starting to put pressure on the liver. It's like wanting to break out of the liver. Yeah. So the way we can look at it is, imagine you've got a 3-bedroom house and there's a person in each room, but then all of a sudden you have another 3 people move in. There's pressure, isn't there? There's going to be pressure because there's so many people in the house and there's only 3 rooms from a live-in. There's going to start to come pressure and friction between everyone in the house, yeah? So imagine that's what's happening in your body. And we can see this when we're looking at it in the form of when we go from frustration to anger, resentment, hate. Yeah, when we have those emotions and those feelings happening, that's when we're at the pressure stage.